transistors over here which actually increase the energy, and a few electrotile capacitors, and these are the two things which light up, like help the LEDs glow. So then like when I remove these, the lights don't glow in the car's front because these wires have come out. So then now these are the two. This is the one motor which helps the front wheel go, and then the second one is the one here. So guys, this is the back motor here. So when this spins, this motor spins, it allows these gear shafts to spin, and then it makes the wheel spin. So then and right after that, it's the motor, the few circuit board which you can see there. I don't know if you can see there. Yeah, there's a circuit board over there, right there. And this is the main circuit board. I can open it and show it to you. So then yeah guys, this is the circuit board which is there. It's also soldered at the back. So yeah, you can see a lot of microcontrollers there, down there. A big one there and few small ones around here. So then yeah, and here is the battery case, as you can see here. And on this motor there is a ceramic capacitor, but for this one it's just few copper wires around there, these ones. Yeah, so then this is the switch which we get in that. This one, for me it just broke out suddenly, so it's okay, doesn't matter much. So then yeah, now let's get this thing back together again. As I was telling, these are the LEDs over here, these ones. So these go in here actually, like that. They are right in place. So yeah, they go in like that. Let's get started fixing it again. So yeah guys, this car was fixed again, as you can see, this there. Now this was filmed in a Micromax P480 canvas, and you can follow me on Instagram, that is the Skating Boss. That's my Instagram account. So please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.